Hi, welcome to Human Integrated Performance. We wanted to do something a little different for our new clinic FAQ videos, so we hope you not only find this information useful, but fun to watch as well. Check out yeghip.com to read more of our common FAQs. The question I have now is, what techniques can I expect a physiotherapist in a clinic to use for pain management and improve mobility? At Human Integrated Performance, a leading physiotherapy clinic offering comprehensive services in Edmonton, you can expect a variety of evidence-based techniques aimed at effective pain management and enhanced mobility. Our skilled physiotherapists employ advanced techniques such as manual therapy, which includes hands-on manipulation and mobilization to alleviate pain and improve joint function. We also utilize therapeutic exercises tailored to your specific needs, aiming to strengthen muscles and increase flexibility. Other techniques include electrotherapy, which uses electrical impulses to reduce pain and inflammation, and ultrasound therapy, promoting tissue healing through sound waves. Our focus on personalized care ensures that every treatment plan is customized for optimal outcomes, leveraging our holistic approach to wellness. At the Performance Training Physiotherapy Clinic, part of our multidisciplinary center, we offer integrated solutions combining physiotherapy with performance training, sports massage, and psychological strategies to ensure comprehensive care. Our mission is to help you reach your peak physical function and performance. To learn more about how Human Integrated Performance can assist you in achieving your health and wellness goals, visit our website